Which of the following is not a function of small intestine? A. Digestion of food. B. Absorption of nutrient. C. Absorption of water. D. Completion of digestion. Which statement about respiration is correct? A. Respiration occur only in animals. B. Respiration always require oxygen. C. Energy is released during respiration. D. Respiration occurs only in mitochondria. Which structure control the opening and closing of stomata? A. Epidermal cell. B. Guard cell. C. Xylem cell. D. Root hair cell. Next question is, if the phloem of plant is damaged, which process will be affected most directly? A. Transfer of water. B. Absorption of nutrients. C. Transfer of food. D. Absorption of water. Next question is, which combination is correct regarding photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide plus oxygen gives glucose. B. Carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose plus oxygen. C. Oxygen plus water gives glucose. D. Glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water. Next question, which organelle is directly associated with aerobic respiration? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. C. Lysosome. D. Golgi apparatus.